Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Dendix from the 2024 Wave 3. We have Alex Bowman's 2023 Miami Ally car. And here is the car. And here's the back of the box. You can get many different cars in this wave, like Hailie Deegan, Ty Gibbs, Chase Elliott, and also two late model cars, which is Kevin Harvick and Dale Earnhardt Jr. Alright, I'll get Alex Bowman out of the box and I will be back to show you the car. Okay, so now that I got Alex Bowman's car out of the box, let's take a look at his Miami themed car. So for Alex Bowman's sponsorship, Ally always does these fun paint schemes when they're at certain tracks like Nashville and Miami. And once again, Ally's done another paint scheme for Miami. On the front of the car, you can see that there is a palm tree in the background, along with a pink flamingo. And what I like about the Ally logo, the A here, it blends in with the picture, although there is some difference in the A than the outside of the palm tree. Usually for the Ally card, usually there's purple, pink, and a light purple, but on this car they added some teal, some Miami green, or teal actually, teal, yeah, to give that Miami sunset vibe. On the hood, you got a classic purple hood with the white 48. And I just now remember that for this year's scheme, Alex Bowman does use teal for 2023. But overall, this car is supposed to give you a Miami vibe. On the side of the car, you got 48 purple, pinks, light purples, light pinks, some teal, blue, aqua green. It's like there's multiple palm trees coming through here. You can see the streaks of it. On the sides, you got 48, Ally, Do It Right, Valvoline, HendrickCars.com. And on the back, you just got the purple Ally, Do It Right. Do It Right. But overall, this car is pretty cool looking. And I do like that Ally is doing these fun, creative schemes at certain tracks. And I think that'll conclude today's episode. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.